Hi kids! Welcome to Kids Cute Drawing!
Hi little artists! Today we're going to draw a super cute chocolate bar. Grab your black marker and let's begin. First, draw a tall rectangle for the chocolate. Awesome! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun drawing and color adventures. Now draw a wavy line across the middle. Great job! Next, draw 6 chocolate squares on the top. Wow! Your chocolate is looking yummy. Now let's make it super cute. Draw a big heart in the middle. Draw 2 big shiny eyes. Oh, it looks adorable. Now draw a tiny smiling mouth. Write love inside the heart. Perfect. Time to color. Color the wrapper bright red. Did you know? Chocolate is a yummy treat that many people love. It's fun to enjoy sometimes as a special snack. Wow! You did an amazing job! Your cute chocolate bar looks fantastic. Can you spell chocolate with me? C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E. Chocolate! Great job, little artist! Color the heart yellow. Amazing! Now color the chocolate brown. Your cute chocolate looks sweet and colorful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun drawing and color adventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun drawing and color adventures. See you next time. Bye bye.